What uppers? How's it going? Once again, this is You Made Roscoe. I am Roscoe, and today's show we're going to be doing a reaction to a song that I've done a reaction to, just not in this particular setting. This is "I'd Rather Go Blind" by Angelina Jordan. Um, we'll be checking this out. Before we do that, I do want to ask for anybody who hasn't already that they please subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way, you'll be reminded of future shows. I want to give a shout out as well. A shout out to Wildwood. Wildwood, thank you for rocking out with me on the page and for also suggesting that I check this out. So, much love to you, Wildwood, and let's go ahead and get this started.
Something told me it was alright when I saw you in her jacket. Something deep down in my soul said, "Cry, girl." When I saw you and the girl walking around.
Let me stop this. She got me in this. I could listen to her sing this song and these type of songs all day. I swear I could. I swear I could. This is her lane. Like, oh my God. And not to say that I'm not trying to limit this lady. She could do whatever the hell she wants to and be great at it. But for me, you know what I mean? Like, this is what I want. Like, she is smashing these type of songs. Oh my God. Let's keep it going.
I would rather go blind than to see you walk away from me, child. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't wanna be free. I was just sitting in line, baby. Have your kisses and your warm embrace.
She is mesmerizing, dude. This dude, oh my God, man. Whew. Oh, she's taking she again, soul snatching. So like, she is so incredible, dude. Let's keep it going.
When the reflection in that glass that I had on my lips now, baby, revealed the tears that was on my face. And
That's, oh my God, dude. Stop. You're killing me. You're killing me, young lady. You're killing me. Lord have mercy.
What's up, terabytes? I'm Tara with Tara.
Let's get her. All right, there we go. I'm all over the place. I'm sorry about that, y'all. My finger got all loosey goosey. I'm like, what is happening? But yeah, no, this was I'd rather go blind by Angelina Jordan, and she did an amazing job. Oh my goodness. Like I said, these old 60s style songs, even 50s, because they used to do these kind of songs back then too. But yeah, no, I could do this all day. This is so amazing. Yeah, no, I'm glad Wildwood suggested this too, because the last time that I reacted to this, again, like I said, I think she was in a concert setting or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't know if I got the same feel out of that I did this. This felt more intimate. like this was sung to me. You know what I mean? But no, great job. Great job by this young lady. Boom, thumbs. She gets me excited when I hear her singing like this. So I gotta temper myself. Simmer down. That's what I gotta do. But yeah, no, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna get going because I have like a ton of work to get done for you guys. But before I get up out of here, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the share button, hit the playlist option. Pick the one named Angelina Jordan reactions. You'll watch those, like those. Also, make sure you're not requesting anything that hasn't been reacted to already. I do have playlists for other artists. Please check out all of those things as well. I'm pretty sure there's something in there for everybody. A lot of different genres of music. I do have the Cash App on the screen, $ You Made Roscoe. Also, the PayPal at You Made Roscoe. So for those who like to show their support or appreciation for the work being done on the page, there's that. And that's all I got. That's it. So I will catch you guys very soon. So don't fret, don't break out the Kleenex or none of that stuff. You don't have to cry because you'll see me as soon as you click on the next video with me in it. So until next time.